Tracking the performance of your employees is very, very important. Now, obviously, there's some monetary reasons why you want to do this as well. Documenting and having a complete personnel file on your employees helps you when you have unemployment hearings, workmen's compensation hearings. You have all the documentation that you need to bring to the court hearings to make sure that you're winning your cases. But it's also important you want to make sure that your employees are providing the best service as possible, since that is your product. You're in a service-based business. Essentially, your people are what you're selling. So here we can see I'm in Mike Rogers, one of our employees, and I've come over to his Personnel File tab. Here we get a full detail of all the issues that we've had with this customer, both positive and negative. With this employee, both positive and negative. So here we can see we've got exceptional services which were attached to jobs. We've had some vacation days. Here we can get the details of them if we need them. And here you'll see that this employee right here has a positive 2 performance ranking at this point. And that's an aggregate off of the figures that you see here for job performance related notes. Now you can also run reports, like I said, so that you can bring that documentation into court with you, or to sit down and do reviews with your employee. We're always surprised by how many service companies don't actually keep track of this information and do quarterly or yearly reviews with their employees. So we can come into the employee's note report, and you can run it for any time period. So maybe we're going to do a year, half-year report and reviews with our employees. So you can get the ranking over that time period and sit down and talk to them about what was going on over this period. Far superior employee tracking, performance rankings, and personnel filing. Just a very powerful feature of Service CEO.